Hello there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaur from Speak Smartly with Kaur, and as you all guys know that about which topic I'm going to talk, that is how can you practice alone, and it's my maybe third video about practicing alone. I have told a lot of tips and tricks by which you can learn English in just your home or just by sitting at your home alone. Okay, so watch this video till it ends because it's must going to be very helpful for all of you guys who are just beginner in English or who are at an intermediate level. But before starting to the main video, I just want to tell you to all that maybe I will fumble in this video sometimes. Maybe words would refuse to come on my tongue because I am also a learner like you. I'm not saying that I am beginner in English, but I am at an intermediate level, so I can speak in English in a good way. But sometimes I also get stuck while making sentences because sometimes words refuses to come on my tongue. So please try to correct me if you guys can. Otherwise, I will definitely try to correct myself as much as I can. So let's get started our video without squandering our single minute of time. So now, the first thing, how can you start learning English alone at your home? I have already told you many tips, like you can learn English by putting status on your WhatsApp, and you can also learn English by watching videos and listening to them again and again. And you can also apply shadowing technique. And apart from this, you can use Pinterest for improving your English. Like you have to just watch to the you have to just see the picture, and you have to describe that picture in your own words. And apart from this, guys, what you guys can do, for example, it's a very main and a very good tip which is going to help you a lot. It's about recording yourself in English. Now what you guys have to do, just try to listen about any one topic. For example, you're listening about how to talk about your daily routine in English. Okay, so try to listen 6 to 7 videos related to this topic. Then try to describe your own routine. Try to describe your own daily routine in your own words. Okay, for example, firstly, I wake up at 5 a.m. Then I brush my teeth. Then I take a bath. Then I get ready for my college. Then I also help my mother to make breakfast, and after that I just pack my breakfast for going to college. And then, like, this is how you can improve your English, by talking about your daily routine. And you can also get ideas by listening videos. Okay, there are a lot of videos on YouTube by listening which you can learn how to speak in your about your daily routine. Now the next step is about firstly, you have to listen one video about a particular topic. Then try, for example, guys, what kind of videos you can listen. You can listen videos related to like daily blogs which are in English. You should listen those kind of English videos. Okay, because in those videos there are many YouTubers who are posting their daily routine in English, so you can get to know that how they are doing their work and how they are talking about their work in English. For example, now I'm going to make tea, so I will say that I'm going to make tea. Firstly, I will pour some water in a pan, then I will add some sugar, then I will add some milk, and then I will boil all of those items by mixing those. So this is how we make tea. And apart from this, other things like how we make roti. Firstly, we shift the flour. Okay, shift the flour. आटा छानने को shifting the flour कहते हैं. Okay, then we just make a dough. Okay, by adding water in that. Okay, in okay, like हम वाटर को ऐड करते हैं पानी आटे में, फ्लोर में. देन वी मेक अ डो. ओके, एंड देन वी नेट दैट. आटा गूंथते हैं, आटा गूंथने को नेट कहते हैं. वी नेट अ डो, एंड देन वी अगेन मेक वॉल्स. ओके, फ्लावर वॉल्स. ओके, फ्रॉम द डो. ओके, उस डो से हम छोटी छोटी बॉल्स बनाते हैं. देन वी मेक अ रोटी. Okay, then we just serve that roti. Sorry, then we sorry, उस रोटी को then हम तवे पर पकाते हैं. Okay, so this is how you can learn English. Okay, now I don't know how to say like तवे पर रोटी को पकाने को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं. I'll search about that. Okay, but I know that कि आटा छानने को शिफ्टिंग द फ्लावर कहते हैं, आटा गूंदने को नेडिंग कहते हैं, और जो वो जिस जैसे हम आटा सारा लगा देते हैं उसको डो कहते हैं। देन वी मेक बॉल्स, फिर हम बॉल्स बनाते हैं आटे की, छोटी छोटी लोइयाँ जो होती हैं, देन उनको हम बेलते हैं, ओके, उनको हम रोल करते हैं, ओके। Okay, so this is how we make roti, okay? Like we also say roti. Actually, we call roti in Hindi, in Punjabi, but in English we say chapati. Okay, so this is how you can make chapati. And the next thing, what you guys can do, like this is how you can improve your English by your daily work. Like whatever you are doing, try to explain that in English. For example, if you do not know like what to say about that thing in English, so try to search about that on Google and try to speak about that again. Okay, for example, अब मेरे को नहीं पता कि रोटी पकाने को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं, तो डेफिनेटली इस वीडियो को बनाने के बाद मैं गूगल पर सर्च करने वाली हूँ, बिकॉज आई डू नॉट हैव अनदर मोबाइल फ़ोन। सो अगर होता तो मैं वह यहीं पर सर्च करके आपको बता देती, बट फिलहाल मेरे पास मेरा एक ही मोबाइल फ़ोन है एंड आई एम मेकिंग माई वीडियो बाय द हेल्प ऑफ दैट मोबाइल फ़ोन, सो आई कांट सर्च राइट नाउ, बट यू गाइज कैन, एंड इफ़ यू हैव सर्च अबाउट दैट देन प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन द कॉमेंट बॉक्स, ओके। आप भी मुझको कॉमेंट बॉक्स में बताइए कि इसको क्या कहते हैं, ठीक है। सॉरी, यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है, so the next thing what you guys can do, the next thing is about like what you guys can do, you can talk to your like your siblings or your friends in English if they are willing to talk to you in English, okay, if they are willing. Okay, so this is how you can create environment, and I know that many of your siblings or many of your friends don't like to talk in Hindi, but maybe 3 to 4%, 3 to 4% our friends can speak in English with us. Like they also want to improve the English if they want to improve the English, because these days English is a very most important language in every field. Like if you are going to get admission in any college, or if you are going to give your job interview, so at that time you have to know English, you have to know that how to communicate in English. So guys, that's all for today. I will talk about next tips in my next video. Okay, thank you. And if you have learned something from this video, then please like this video and subscribe my channel and share it as much as you can. Thank you.